How to use a piping bag and more useful tips, brought to you by recipes.net. Avoid the unnecessary mess as we show you how to properly fill a piping bag. Take a pastry bag and insert a tip to the bottom of the cone. With a tall glass, insert the bag and fold the bigger end to the rim for a nice and wide opening for frostings. This enables you to scrape a spatula easier later on. Using a spatula, take some of the frosting and fill the pastry bag from a half to 2/3 full. Remember that filling the pastry bag too much will make it harder to use, especially when you're using a thick frosting. Step up your cake decorating skills and learn how to properly hold a piping bag. Use your dominant hand to hold the larger end of the bag. This allows you more pressure and direction control. Subsequently, use your non-dominant hand to guide the contents of the bag. In cake piping, make sure to hold the bag in a 45-degree angle for eye-pleasing strokes. Types of piping tips. Probably the most infamous piping tip ever, the star tip is perfect for beginners. This type of tip easily produces a star shape with just one squeeze. The grooves of a drop flower tip look similar to that of a star tip, but they are much closer together. This will create finer and more delicate lines to your pastries. The writing tip is usually used in dedication and celebration cakes as it creates finer and tiny details in pastry decorating. Another type of piping tip is the round tip. It creates a thick, round, and smooth-looking swirl. Lastly, the French star tip has a very fine groove pattern, making it perfect for creating stars and intricate flower designs on your pastries. Try these useful tips and you might just find pastry decorating an enjoyable skill and experience. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.